Show them how you can jump in there. Jump. Emma. Yeah. You jumped a lot just then. You jump any more? Yeah? Can you jump some more for him? What's that? Jump. You better go see who it is. Yeah? Are you sick of all this snow yet, Emma? What are you looking at now? Are you jumping? Are you jumping like crazy? Let's show them all the snow we have so far. Look, the snow's up higher than the door handles. Isn't that crazy? So while you guys are complaining about your 60-degree days down there, I don't want to hear it. We're lucky if our gazebo and deck don't collapse from all the snow. What do you have to say about that, Emma? What do you have to say about it? Yeah? Are you excited to see them soon? Do you wish they'd come visit you once in a while before you're running this place? Okay, say bye. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye?